Chalong platforms. Right now you are watching a 4-star property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. See on the screen property location, nearby attractions and landmark also. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. The screen details like room size, bed type, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Of this property, so you can see on the screen. Yes, will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The property accept major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Location of the property is attractive and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Two categories of rooms are available on the enjoy stay. Services and offers are available for this property along with rooms, meal plans, and contact. You can go through the link provided in the description. If you have already shared in this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel and have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming property. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, do meet